Hey everyone, Dennis Marcotte with Remax Town & Country. Today we are featuring the Wolf's Den cabin, which is an established vacation rental cabin located at the Paradise Hills Resort and Spa in Blairsville, Georgia. This is a completely furnished, turnkey, 2-bedroom, 2-bath vacation rental cabin with year-round mountain view. I'm currently on the deck of the Wolf Den cabin, approaching the front door, and you have year-round mountain views. You have a covered deck, complete with a picnic area and a gas grill. These are the views from the cabin. Beautiful setting, and also it is in a private location at the resort and spa. So as you enter into the cabin, first thing you're going to notice is that you have a beautiful cathedral ceiling with a loft. Walking into the living room area, complete with a wood burning fireplace. You have pine floors, dining room area, and also your kitchen. Straight back is your master bedroom on the main level, and this is a king-size bed, and you also have a jacuzzi tub in the bedroom. And you also have a guest bath right off your master bedroom. Going to be heading upstairs. I'm currently at the top of the stairs looking down towards the great room. This gives you a pretty good perspective of the cabin. And up here in the loft you have another king-size bed, complete with its own bathroom on this level as well. Cabin comes completely furnished. Again, it is in a private setting, and one of the great things about this cabin is that the property management company is on site, and they are tasked with all of the marketing of the cabin. So it's pretty much a turnkey, headache-free type of investment. Located very close to town, and if you have any additional questions about this cabin or the rental history, give me a call, 706-455-8502, 706-455-8502. This is Dennis Marcotte with Remax Town & Country in Blairsville, Georgia. We would love to help you find your piece of paradise here in Georgia.